Just stand with your feet a couple of inches away from the wall. Your buttocks are against the wall, your shoulders and your head are all against the wall. And we're going to start with our abs. So what you're trying to do is draw your abdominal muscles up and in. So you're actually shortening the distance between the wall and your waist. So do about 10 of those. You can exhale as you're squeezing your navel to your spine. Inhale as you release, and keep going. This by itself is, by the way, a very good abdominal exercise that you can do just to strengthen your abs. And when you've done several of those, take the back of your hand and press it against the wall. This does a number of things. It lowers your shoulders and it strengthens your rhomboids. Those are the muscles between your shoulder blades that keep them together, which opens the front of your chest. Very important for people with RSI and just people who want to maintain good balance between front and back muscles. So here, I'm just pressing the backs of my hands against the wall. And again, keep the stomach tight while you're doing that. And press, press, press. You can actually hold this for a while for even more strength and endurance. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. And then relax. The last one we're going to do with this series is press the back of your head against the wall. Now it's really important. Keep your chin level. Don't look down and don't look up. You want your chin nice and level so you feel the back of your head on the wall, and press, 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 while you are keeping the stomach engaged and the shoulders wide. So you're doing 3 things at once. Press, press, press. You can even add the arms if you want. But let's focus for now on just on the head, because it's really important. Pressing. So you do about 10 of those as well. And then when you're through, walk and feel just how tall you can be. And if you want to add more to that, you can add your book, put your book on top of your head, keep your stomach up and in, your shoulders relaxed, and walk away. This is really good training for posture. You can walk forwards, you can walk backwards, you can turn your head from side to side. It's really good training for your posture.